Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today we're diving into Otter AI, one of the most popular tools for transcription, note-taking, and meeting productivity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a content creator, Otter can save you hours by turning conversations into accurate, searchable text. In this beginner's tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics so you can start using Otter confidently right away. So we'll take a look at Otter's website or app and we'll sign up. And as soon as we sign up right there, it prompts you to either use your own email. It's a button that is right here on the website, Get Started for Free. And as soon as you press this, it prompts you to either sign up via Google or Microsoft. And as soon as you're in, it gives you this beautiful dashboard right here. All right, now we are in the Otter dashboard. Now you can transcribe your first file, which you can just drop an audio file and it will instantly just turn it into a text file. You can get the app to record on free, and if you download the app, it ties to whatever service you're using. You can tie to Google Meet, to Zoom, or to Microsoft Teams, and it just becomes your companion. It gives you the minutes of meeting, it gives you whatever it is, and whatever meetings you have on all of those platforms combined, it will show right here. Now there can be action items, meaning meeting tomorrow, and you can just have it set a gallery right there. So as soon as we sign up, this is what the home screen looks like. You can have Otter AI Chat, which is basically your own chat GPT within the realms of Otter. You can also integrate it with many an app, and we can take a look at integrations right here. So it looks exactly like sort of your Discord, your little channels that you can have. You have little folders according to whatever it is that you go for. And yeah. Now, in learning how to use Otter, this is sort of an example that Otter gives you itself. This is after a meeting that you had at 7:45. It lasted 3 minutes. There are 3 screenshots that it captured of said meeting that you can look at. Now, click the suggested questions or type in your own questions. How do I use Otter? How can I record for transcription? To record for transcription with Otter, you have a few options. For online meetings, use Otter Pilot to automatically join. Now, for in-person meetings, you can open the Otter mobile app or web browser. So that's kind of creepy, but hey, you let the person that you're interviewing or having a meeting with know, and you turn on the app via your phone or via your laptop while you're meeting the person, and it's going to listen and transcribe. And you can manually start a recording in the Otter app or web interface. Like, for instance, you can just record right away. Now, I don't know if this is going to, let me try. Hi, this is me. I am currently recording, and this recording is going to show up on my video. This is a quick demo of how to record using Otter AI. That's just insane. And there you go. That was me recording, and it's going to be saved in my conversations. Now you can import a file as I aforementioned, and if you upgrade to business, you get unlimited imports. And you can paste a meeting URL to record. Let's say somebody sends you a Google Meet. Usually they send you a link, or a Zoom or Microsoft Teams, and you can paste it right here, and Otter is just going to sort of hop on to that. Now, can I access my conversations? You can download the mobile app. You can download the desktop app. You can manage this workspace entirely, kind of like your Slacks and whatnot. Okay. Where are my conversations? So, yes, it's right here. Okay. And if I press it, it's going to show you exactly what conversation happened. And you can look at a summary. Meeting summary templates. Now, you can have pre-built and custom templates for your summaries. You can have an automatic template matching, or you can have a custom AI one. And yeah, that's the Otter AI Chat. You can have the full conversation over here. Now you can highlight to emphasize parts of the conversation. Let's say this line is important. Let's highlight it. And last but not least, help Otter recognize speakers. This is me. Right there. You can update that, and then you have a character that's already there. If you have anybody joining you, they're going to appear. It knows my voice now, so it's going to appear as somebody else. And if it's somebody that's recurrent, then you can absolutely just record them as such. So you can also post meeting summary to Slack. You can tie it to Slack. You can share. As far as sharing, you can post it. You can change, kind of like your Googles. And right here, you can export a conversation, rematch the speakers like we just did, regenerate summary. Maybe you don't like the summary that it came up with, so you can use the AI to do that. Sync text to audio. So it recorded the meeting, and now it can just match up to it. And you can set your own keyboard shortcuts or delete the conversation altogether. Now, that was just a quick run around of Otter AI. You can also connect it to Note Taker, by the way. Let's look at the pricing for Otter. You can pay yearly, which amounts to $8.33 per user per month, which is just $100, or you can pay monthly, which is roughly double that for $17 or $16.99. Now, according to number of users, I take it you get a discount, but I'm not sure. Yeah, no, you don't really get a discount, but yeah, and you can have your entire team tied up to it. So yeah, this was just a rundown and an overview of how to use your Otter AI. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, subscribe for more videos, and we'll catch you in the next one.